Two or three average climbs today, so we got a big one. Well, good morning from day 41.
Woo-hoo!
We just left the Quarterway Inn hostel, and
it was incredible.
Great spot, great breakfast this morning.
Beautiful place. The owner and hosts are amazing. Definitely try to stay there if you get a chance.
Yep, it's great. And we're gonna hit 20 miles, a little over 20 today. So we're gonna hit the trail and got lighter packs because we're going in to resupply tomorrow. So we just have enough food to get us by. Rumor is fresh ground is just 20 miles ahead.
And I really hope so, because I didn't pack dinner tonight or breakfast tomorrow because we plan to double dip.
Double dip with fresh ground.
And can't buy him tonight.
Can't buy where he is and try to double dip and get a little bonus in. So it makes for lighter packs. And yeah, we're gonna try to move a little quicker today to get these 20 miles in and get there for dinner. And
20.3.
20.3 miles. Yep, let's get on it.
Aru.
Carved 1/4 on that post.
Oh. I'm gonna try to go down front because I'm holding the camera. Wow. There's a lot of these little A-frame ladders going over property fences. Switchbacks. We just got a little Propel trail magic at the road crossing, so we're ready. We got a few climbs today, and we're pushing 3.5 miles. I've been climbing for quite a bit of it so far. But it's early in the day, sun's out, it's warm, but it's not hot yet. Not mall shelter. Mal. Oh, cute little spot. Hey, big guy. All right, time to jump in. Oh, that feels so good. Woo! So back there, I saw a ribbon, and what went through my mind was, oh, I wonder if that's to communicate to trail maintainers to chop down this little tree that seemed to be leaning over. And then we proceeded like 5 yards to a whole bunch of down trees and covered the trail. And then we realized that the ribbon was the beginning of a reroute of other ribbons. So we went around that, and then that's when we came upon that little river crossing to another big old tree obstacle. So, oh, I see ribbons up ahead. I don't know if that means another reroute, but our feet are nice and cool now.
Yeah.
No reroute there, but wow, lots of fallen trees. Oh. Hey, dude. Man, this water's bringing all kinds of friends. This is Thumbs Up's favorite steps. Up and down. He is not a fan.
Slows me down.
Yeah,
You probably like it.
yeah. There's enough that I can manage to take my camera out and record. I can actually breathe. Though heavy, as everybody can hear. Whew. You're pretty. You little guy. Nice. All right. Well, the morning was complete blue skies, which was beautiful. And now as midday hits and it gets warmer, we got some clouds. So it's still absolutely beautiful. That's good stuff. Chestnut Knob Shelter. Fancy. Wow. With a view. Felt like most of the day was up. And now we're going down, down, down to fresh ground. Somebody had the right idea. If it doesn't naturally have a face, just make one. Okay, so I know like 6 or 7 miles back, I said, it's down to fresh ground. Well, as you just saw, there was a lot of elevation gain. So we've been hustling and sweating and huffing and puffing, but we're just about at 20.3 for the day in about 9 hours. So we have done, I think, great time. And now we are down to fresh ground. And I know because I see the road, I can hear the voices, I see the van, I can smell something. We're there, thumbs up. We're doing it.
Thumbs up. Thank you, thank you.
Yay!
Thank you, thank you. Oh, yeah, since about a week and a half ago.